Income disclaimer. The income projections provided to you before enrollment should not be treated as a guarantee of your projection of your actual earnings or profits. Success with Prife depends solely on your hard work, dedication, strategy, and leadership. A true leader knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Welcome to Knowing Your Business series.
Happy learnings, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, part of the globe. My name is Donna Abayan, and I will be your presenter for today or for tonight. And I'm so excited to kick in season 3, episode 1 about your business income 1 and 2. So let's begin. So, for the business plan, it's a seamless global opportunity and it's a long term, most lucrative opportunity that we can be part of. And the good thing about Prive International is that it helps with our health and also with our wealth. So for this presentation, as what our Dean, Ms. Faith Demasilio had mentioned, there are 6 ways to generate income that we will be focusing on this presentation. And that is sponsorship bonus, product point voucher are the 2 things that I will be discussing in this presentation. Okay, so let's read again the income disclaimer in this business. So, the income projections provided to you before enrollment are not a reliable indication of the income you may earn through the business plan. They should not be treated as a guarantee or projection of your actual earnings or profits. Success with Prive International depends solely on your hard work, dedication, strategy, and leadership. Remember, you are the CEO of your business. So this business is not a get rich quick scheme, So this is actually an opportunity where you can really have an actual home-based business that you can build in whatever nooks and crannies of your life. And it gives us the opportunity to add income, so additional income to our household, earn passive income, and at the same time, you can work on a part-time basis but earning full-time income. So the work that you do commensurates the income that you can earn from this business. And again, you are the CEO of your own business. So with Prive International, it is very exciting, to be a part of a global opportunity like this. And the good thing about networking company or networking business is that you can just tell a few people, and then this few people tell a few people, and then this few people tell a few people, and before you know it, your business is already present in the global market. So with Prive International, we have a phenomenal growth. Okay. And we are currently servicing over 80 countries. So our presence is already over 80 countries, regions, states, branches, and stockies. So last January, Prive International celebrated its second birthday or second anniversary. And in this opportunity, okay, we can really do a global business. So the world is our stage to do the business. So we really encourage everyone, to keep on sharing and keep on sharing and keep on sharing. And before you know it, your business is already in the global market. So why Prive International? Okay. So it really starts with the product. And I believe on that because when you actually have your own personal testimonials, then you know that the product really works and it's easy for us, to share it with other people. And the product works effectively. We all know that because at least you or a family member has your own personal testimonials. And that's why we are even the first in the global market. So competition is irrelevant. And the business plan was based on the 20 best binary plans in the world. So the company is very generous and seamless. The market is huge, and we are at the pioneering stage globally. So there is actually 7.9 billion around the world. Get that piece, of opportunity with Price International. And what is Blue Ocean Market? Okay, so Blue Ocean Market, actually it's an entrepreneurial industry term where it means that we are on a new segment of market. We don't have any competition and it creates and attracts new demand. So why not, right? So Price International is the best opportunity that we can be part of. So we all know, of course, this is our flagship products. So we have the Pro, we have the Classic, we have the Premium, and the new one is our Premium Plus. So this is world's number one terahertz light wave device, and that is our Itera Care. So aside from Itera Care, there are world's number one self-care devices, that we can definitely experience and helps with our health as well as our wealth. So there are the Bio, we have the BioLite, we have the Seven Wonders, the Ion Shield, the Envy Spec glass, which is actually my favorite. I've been really promoting this because it really helps with my eyesight. And there are other products that may not be available in your country, but this can be actually, if you look at your back office in Malaysia, there are different other products that is available for us. Okay, so again, it really depends on the your country, the availability of these products, but we have not only Itera Care, the terahertz devices, but also self-care devices, world's number one. And you see this one right here in the picture, that's the Scalar Bangle that is also available. So it's really how amazing that we can introduce and we can share different products to our um, family members, to our friends, and they keep on sharing and sharing and sharing to others as well. That these products may be available in the country that we're in, they are into. Okay, so um, let me discuss to you basic, of course, information knowledge that you need to know before I dive in on the income one and two opportunity of our compensation plan. Okay, so there are three wallets in the back office, and let's watch this video to explain what are these three wallets available at the back office. The three wallets at the back office: the bonus wallet, the register wallet, and the bonus redemption wallet. Bonus wallet can be converted into cash, can be withdrawn via enrolled bank, or from the currency can be converted into register wallet. Register wallet is the wallet can be used to purchase items at the back office. Top Up is the feature under Navigate to process payment via PayPal. PayPal is the payment platform that is used. Once the transaction is successful, the payment goes to the register wallet to purchase products. Bonus redemption wallet is used to redeem products. Products purchased using bonus redemption wallet do not have point value. Just make sure to have funds at the register wallet to pay for the shipping cost. This video is made for WeCare Academy training program. Okay, so those are the three wallets available at the back office. But also keep in mind, wherever country you may be, there might be different ways as well, aside from topping up, payment to purchase a product with Prive International. So again, just ask your sponsor or your leader aside from this register wallet that we mentioned because we are in a global market. So that's how we take payment wherever you are part of the world and if we want to service you guys. So again, this is just pretty much basic information really on how we purchase products. I just wanted to add that for our register wallet. Okay. So now let's go to entry packages. So when you um, want to be part of the business, there are three entry packages to start with. And we have silver, the gold, and the diamond. So if, for example, you purchase a classic device, the Ion Shield, the Seven Wonders, or the Premium Plus, that is equivalent to a silver package, which is 200 PV. So what is PV? PV is actually a personal volume. So Prive International attached a point value or a personal volume to each product because we have different countries when we do the business, so different currencies, and what we're using actually is the US dollars. So when you purchase this, the the percentage actually depends on the PV because for that reason, each device may be different. There's actually different prices to different countries, right? So that's why there is an attached personal volume. And when you join in the business, you can come in as where you fit in. And I can say that because if you get a silver package, you will always have a placement in your sponsor's organization or hierarchy. Okay. So therefore, each packages has a personal volume attached to the product. Now, if you are purchasing a premium or three classics or BioLite, that is equivalent to a gold package, which is 600 PV. And for the diamond 2000 PV, that is if you purchased the Bio, the Pro, or 10 Classics, or the Oxytap. Now, there is also a PV right there for the Bio, which is equivalent to 2500 PV. And for the Oxytap, it's 2700 PV. So that is still considered a diamond package. So that is your entry package to start in the business. Okay. And also, I would like to mention that each package has also an equivalent pin. Okay. And that pin is the one that we used at the back office. So I just would like to mention that now and then later we will talk about the pins. And that's something that is very important when you are doing the business with Prive International. So let's start with sponsorship bonus, which is considered a fast track income. So again, I mentioned about personal volume or point value. Okay, I heard it's point value, personal volume, because again, we are dealing in a global business where each product costs different amount in US dollars. Okay, and we're using US dollars as the currency. So for the silver package, if you join in the business with this package as a sponsor or the direct sponsor, you get that sponsorship bonus of 10% of the package that person joined into the hierarchy or organization. So if you purchase a silver, so 200 PV times 10%, you will earn $20 for the silver package. If you join in for the gold, then 10% of that is $60. And the diamond is 2000 PV, 10% of that is 200. So 10% is taken from PV per package. That's why we don't earn from the amount of the product, because again, we actually have different currencies and different prices in different countries. That's why we are doing the personal volume attached to the product. Now, in this slide, so we have the entry packages to your left, and to your right, you have the sponsorship bonus. This is just to reiterate the income that you will receive per PV. Now, I put here Premium Plus. So Premium Plus is 400 PV. So therefore, 10% of that, you get $40 for direct sponsorship for this package of the Premium Plus. If it's a diamond package, so Itera is 2,500 PV, 10% of that, you get $250 sponsorship bonus. And for the Oxitap, it's 2,700 PV or personal volume. Then you earn $275 for the sponsorship bonus. Okay, so therefore, again, we look at the PV of the product, multiply it by 10%. That is your sponsorship bonus. Okay. Now, I would like to mention as well the income distribution, because for the sponsorship bonus, it is subject to 80% cash and 20% product points, which is actually income number 2 that I will be discussing as well today or tonight. So income distribution for a sponsorship bonus, 80% goes to cash, 20% goes to product points. And in terms of the wallet, so the 80% goes to your bonus wallet, and in the video, it says it can be converted to cash. Okay, so therefore, 80% of the bonus goes to the bonus wallet, and 20% goes to the bonus redemption wallet, wherein we can purchase products at the back office using this wallet, in the system at the back office. So at the end, it's a good combination where we get the 80-20 for income distribution for the first bonus. And also for the rest, in the next few weeks, then we will hear about the other incomes. But I just wanted to reiterate that the first bonus also have the income distribution of 80% cash, 20% product points. It goes to the bonus wallet if it's a cash, and it goes for the bonus redemption wallet for the 20%, wherein you can purchase products in the system as long as you pay the shipping fee. But again, in different countries may have different procedures or process. Like if in the Philippines, if you are within Metro Manila area, certain cities, shipping is free. But again, here with us, I'm in North America, in the US. It's also free for our for the product points voucher if we use, but there is a shipping fee that we have to pay. Okay, here in North America. So that's what wallet the sponsors bonus goes. So now let's talk about redemption. So with redemption, there is again the percentage of income that goes to your redemption bonus wallet. Okay, so if you actually join as a silver package, you get 35% of the PV. Again, personal volume. If it's a gold, you get 40% of the product volume or product points, or again, I would like, if this is a word that you just heard, personal volume, I will stick to the personal volume in terms of PV. So you get 40% for the gold package, and then 50% for the diamond package. So if somebody joins in your organization or hierarchy with a diamond package, that's 50% of the PV goes to your redemption bonus wallet, and that's $1,000. Okay, so $1,000, how many um products you can purchase with $1,000 in your bonus redemption wallet? Okay, so the redemption points taken from your direct sponsorship, and keep in mind, one and two goes hand in hand. So if somebody joins in your organization with a silver package, then you earn the 10% for the PV of the product, and also you get redemption. So both, it goes hand in hand when somebody joined in your organization and what package they are coming in, okay, or they're joining in. Okay, so for the redemption bonus, again, it's considered fast track income. So on the left side, you see the entry packages that you can join in, and the redemption bonus on the left side is, or the right side of the screen, is that for a silver, again, 35% of the PV, that's $70. For the gold, 40% of the PV, 240, and for the diamond, 50% of the PV, which is 1,000. So on your left, you see those PVs. But I also would like to reiterate again that for the silver package, for the premium plus, 400 PV times 35%, that's $140, redemption bonus that you will get. For the diamond package for Itera Bio, which is 2,500 PV times 50%, that's $1,250 that you will be getting from your redemption bonus. And for the Oxytap, it's 2,700 PV. 50% of that is $1,375 that goes to your redemption bonus, or the bonus redemption wallet at the back office. Again, it's taken from the redemption points from your direct sponsorship. Okay. So what wallet this bonus goes for the redemption? Okay, so technically in the middle, no, it should be in the bonus redemption wallet. There you go. Okay, so that's where income number two actually goes to on redemption wallet at the back office. Okay, and this is not subject to 80-20% because it goes directly, all of it, in your bonus redemption wallet. So income distribution, that it is. Now to summarize, it's a very quick presentation because we're only doing one and two. And for the summary of this, it goes hand in hand. It is a fast track income. Both are calculated per percentage of the personal volume of the product. The sponsorship bonus goes to the bonus wallet. Redemption bonus goes to bonus redemption wallet. And funds are available to use after the system maintenance update. So the good thing about this in our business, in Malaysia, there is a system maintenance from midnight to an hour. So here in California, that's 9 a.m. till 10. And so with other states and other countries, the good thing about this business is the bonuses is available for us the next day. And we are being paid every day in this business. We don't have to wait for the 15th, 30th, or once a month income. We are being paid every day in this business after the systems update in Malaysia time. Okay, so midnight for an hour. And this is a good jumpstart to use the funds to roll over for your business. Why? Because if you, again, as I've said, if somebody joined for a silver package, you already earning number one, sponsorship bonus, number two, redemption bonus. The money that you get from the redemption bonus, you can use that to purchase products and actually roll over for your business, sell it again, and again, it's really a revolving income that you can use to really jumpstart your business. Okay. Now, I mentioned about pins, and the pin actually is attached to the PV or the personal volume. It is very important for you to learn what is this pin is all about. Now that we're doing the meat of the business, the pin is, here you goes, additional knowledge that you need to know and more information about that. And this is what is pin is all about. What is PIN? PIN is what we use at the back office to purchase, register, or upgrade the equivalent package of a personal volume or point value in an organization or hierarchy. PIN value equivalent for silver, gold, and diamond packages. In this example, under the USA market, if you purchase an EMF shield, that is equivalent to 34 PV per piece. But if you purchase 6 pieces of this, that could be an equivalent now to 204 PV, and that is one pin. And you can register that at the back office as long as it comes from the same stockies. This is what pin equivalent is all about. Thank you for watching and joining us for the WeCare Academy Income 1 and 2 Business Plan presentation. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Okay, so that is what PIN is all about. And again, this is something that you need to know because, as I've mentioned, each package that when you joined in has an equivalent personal volume, and each product attached to that personal volume, when you have the 200 PV, that's already equivalent to one pin. If you have 600 PVs, that's equivalent to 3 pins. And if you have a diamond package, that's equivalent to 10 pins. And those pins are the one that you register at the back office. So again, when you joined in, you will have a placement or a position in your sponsor's hierarchy. So if you're not ready to do the business, hey, it's okay. As long as you communicate with your sponsor, with your leader, how to kick off the business. And again, these are a global opportunity that you can be really excited about because your business can be present in different parts of the world, and you don't need to do it by yourself. You do it with the people, with the team that you are building in your organization or hierarchy. So that concludes my presentation for Income 1 and 2.